Guys, I am known by my friends and family to make one of the best coleslaw. Comment, like, subscribe. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I make coleslaw. I am known to make one of the best coleslaw. So all my ingredients are here. So I have cabbage, carrot, raisins, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and brown sugar right here. So you're going to see how I make it. So first I grate the cabbage and carrot. Let me just finish grating this little piece of cabbage here. To not make a lengthy video, I kind of grated some of the cabbage and carrot already. If you have something that could do it faster, you can, like a food processor, but I'm using a grater. This is how I'm used to doing it. Okay, so now that I'm finished grating the carrots and cabbage, I am just going to mix them together. See the color, how it looks? Then you are going to add the raisins to it. So I have some 2 small boxes of raisins here. Okay. A dash of apple cider vinegar. Not too much, just a dash. That would preserve it, so it would make it last longer. Okay. And I am just going to add a little bit of sugar. Guys, normally I let the sugar set in overnight in the fridge, but you know, I'm just doing this quickly today. So I'm just going to add a little dash of sugar. I'm being careful with my sugar intake, so I'm just going to do this. Just as this. Here we have mayonnaise. Normally I use Hellmann's, but today I don't have Hellmann's. I'm using this instead. So you're just gonna add it to it. I put, as you see, I put 2 tablespoonfuls. Let's mix it. This is my coleslaw. That's it here, guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna taste some here so you could see. Just the right amount of sugar, and everything is just delicious. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Bye guys, happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.